Want to add powerful new features to Google Chrome? Extensions can completely transform your browsing experience. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Google Chrome extensions on your PC. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your computer, open up your Google web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account here. Click on the three dots on the top right. Click on Settings. On the left column, click on Extensions. Here you can see your extensions installed. Click on Chrome Web Store. If you know the name of the extension that you are looking for to install on your computer, you can search for it here. Or you can scroll on the left for the different categories of the extension. So let's say, for example, if we want to search for some tools extensions, we can click on Tools. Once you find the extension that you want, click on it. Do check the ratings and reviews before you go ahead to install the extension. That will give you an idea of how reliable the extension is based on the ratings and reviews. If you have decided on any particular extension, simply click on Add to Chrome here. Click on Add Extension. Once you have added the extension, you can click on the icon here on the top right, and you can pin it so it appears on the top row of your Chrome bar beside the URL. If you want to uninstall this extension, simply click on the extension icon, then click on the three dots beside the extension and click on Remove from Chrome. To manage and change any of your Chrome extensions, simply click on the extensions logo and click on Manage Extensions. You can remove and uninstall any extension, or you can toggle it off here and it will be unpinned from your Chrome bar. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, do check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and